guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have a special announcement just for you guys. Drum roll please. I'll do it myself. We are having a giveaway, and this giveaway is because we officially hit 500 Milky Babes on Instagram. And when I say that, I'm talking to you guys, For this giveaway, you guys will have the chance of winning up to a total of 10 lip glosses, 5 from Facebook and 5 from Instagram. So without further ado, let's get into the rules of entering the giveaway. Rule number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. You are here right now. This is the video you're watching. While you're here, you might as well subscribe. On this channel, I upload teen entrepreneur videos, and I'm getting ready to upload another fashion lookbook. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and that is rule number 1. Now I'm going to give you guys rules 2, 3, and 4. Head over to my business Instagram account, follow me there, look for a post where I'm wearing exactly what I'm wearing now. Like that post and comment down below 5 glosses of your choice, any 5 glosses you want that are on my website that are not sold out. Last, tag 5 of your besties, and bada bing, bada boom, you are in the giveaway. I also decided to give you guys an additional chance to win 5 more glosses. If you're on Facebook, head over to my personal Facebook page. Look for the post where I'm wearing exactly what I'm wearing right now. Like that post and comment down below 5 glosses you would want to receive. Any glosses on my website that are obviously not sold out. And last but not least, tag 5 besties. This Friday, November 6th, our winner chicken dinner will be announced. So I will give you 24 hours to respond back to me by 12 p.m. Saturday. If you do not respond, I will have to pick another winner. Thank you guys so much for supporting my business. It really means a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Good luck. Set your calendars for November 15th because that is when our merch is dropping. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.